In the vast, untamed wilds of Africa, where the rhythm of life pulses with the setting and rising of the sun, there exists a creature of remarkable unity and formidable strength, the Siafu ant. Known also as driver ants, they embody the true spirit of collective power, demonstrating what can be achieved when the many work as one. The Siafu ant colonies are a marvel of the natural world. Housing millions, these colonies are a superorganism, each ant a cell within the larger body of the community. Their existence is a testament to their resilience, adaptation, and unparalleled teamwork. As the sun rises, casting golden hues over the African savanna, the Siafu begin their march. A seemingly endless stream of ants flows across the landscape, a living river of purpose and intent. They are on the hunt, seeking sustenance to feed the voracious appetite of their colony. Their targets are varied, from small insects to much larger creatures that dare to stand in their way. When threatened, the Siafu's response is both swift and overwhelming. With a unity that seems almost telepathic, they swarm over their adversary. No creature, regardless of its size, can withstand the sheer force of thousands of ants, each armed with powerful jaws capable of tearing apart their foes. The scene is both awe-inspiring and humbling, a stark reminder of the raw power of nature. Humans, too, have learned to respect the Siafu. Tales abound of travelers who, unwittingly disturbing a colony, found themselves the focus of a relentless pursuit by the ant army. It is a lesson in humility, a demonstration of how even the mightiest among us can be brought low by the concerted effort of the seemingly insignificant. Yet, the Siafu ants are more than just fearsome warriors. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem, clearing dead matter, controlling insect populations, and even aerating the soil. Their existence is a testament to the intricate balance of life, where every creature has a role and every action has a purpose. As the day wanes and the ants return to their colony, the savanna settles into a peaceful silence. The Siafu ants, having completed their day's work, rest within the safety of their nest. But their story, a testament to the power of unity and the strength found in numbers, continues to inspire and awe those who walk the wilds of Africa. In the heart of nature's vastness, the Siafu remind us that strength often comes from the collective, that together, we are capable of overcoming obstacles far greater than ourselves. They teach us the value of working together, of facing challenges as one, and of the incredible feats that can be achieved when we unite towards a common goal. This is the tale of the Siafu ants, Africa's mighty swarm, a story of survival, of power, and of the indomitable spirit of life itself.